back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. For today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you my morning routine, which I've been kind of trying to keep as minimal as possible. So I like to start my morning routine with a cleanser, and I've been using this one by Derma. So I like to cleanse my face just because I tend to apply more products on my nighttime skincare routine, and I always want to make sure that I remove everything that I put, like all the oils and all that from my face. So I've been using this one. This is a foam, and it has hyaluronic acid and snow mushroom. It's really nice. I have sensitive skin and it has been working amazing. Okay, so now that my face is clean, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a serum. So I've been using this one by Sandandsky. This is their Dreamy Glowdrops, and they are pretty amazing. So they kindly sent me this product, Sandandsky, along with their firming roller, and I've been loving these two together. This drops contain hyaluronic acid, and I love using hyaluronic acid. This is actually a bi-phase serum. So you're meant to shake it in order to activate the product. The water phase has a blend of 5 types of hyaluronic acid, which is really good to hydrate your skin and also to plump your skin. And then it has Australian glowberries, which actually help to activate the skin's natural production of hyaluronic acid. It has vitamin C, and then we have the oil phase, which has jojoba, almond, and olive oil. So these are amazing ingredients, and I feel they help to hydrate my skin and also create a barrier so that my skin is protected, and I've been loving it a lot. So I'm going to show you how I've been using it. I apply about 4 drops, or depending how I feel my skin needs, and then I use the roller. So now I'm going to use their firming face roller, which is this one. The twin rollers are meant to replicate the fingertips, so you can gently massage your face. This helps to reduce puffiness and also to help with blood flow. And it feels really nice to the skin. So this is kind of how I've been using it. I use this once a day, and it's so relaxing. I think this kind of takes my skincare routine to the next level. Like, I'm taking some time to relax at the same time, and I'm taking care of my skin. And I also try and target areas that I'm most concerned of. This roller also helps so that the skin absorbs the products you put on better, so that's really nice. Also, you can use it on your neck. That is something that I do use as well. Since this is a sculpt, it's meant to sculpt your face, and it's so relaxing. So I've been enjoying using the serum and then the face roller. That definitely has changed my skincare routine, and I kind of feel that it helps me to get ready for the day. I do have a discount code if you want to grab some products from Sandandsky. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply a moisturizer, because you're meant to apply a moisturizer after the glow drops. So I've been using this one by Derma, and I've been liking it because it has vitamin C, and it also has SPF 45. So I'm doing 2 things with just one product, moisturizing my skin and then also protecting it from the sun. So I just applied a few drops. A little product goes a long way, which is something I love. And I try to be gentle with my skin when I'm applying the product. So now that I applied this product, I'm gonna apply this one. So this is the last step of my morning routine. I like to apply a lip mask or lip oil, and I feel that it helps to hydrate my lips because they tend to get super dry. So I apply this one. Again, a little product goes a long way, and that is it for my morning routine. I feel that keeping it at minimum has helped a lot. I'm hydrating my skin, moisturizing, and then keeping it protected from the sunlight and all the pollution and all that. So that's been working amazing. Sometimes that's all I do, regardless if I'm gonna be wearing makeup or not. I try to keep this a must for my morning routine. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Sun and Sky products. Everything's gonna be on the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be seeing you soon. Bye bye.